Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your product listing title in Amazon Seller Central. Your product title is crucial for attracting customers and improving your visibility in search results, so it's important to keep it optimized and accurate. Let's get started. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Inventory tab in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage Inventory. This will take you to the page where all your product listings are displayed. Now, you'll see a list of all your products. To find the specific listing you want to update, use the search bar at the top of the page. You can search by product name, SKU or ASIN. Once you've found the product listing, click on the Edit button right next to it. This will open the product details page, where you can make all the necessary changes to your listing. Here, you'll see several tabs like Product Details, Images and Variations. Make sure you're in the Product Details tab, where you'll find the product or item name field. This is where you can update your product title. Enter your new title in the product name field. Remember, your product title should be clear, concise, and include relevant keywords to help customers find your product. Once you've updated your product title, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save and Finish to apply the changes. Keep in mind that it may take a few minutes for the changes to reflect on your live product listing. And that's it. You've just learned how to update your product listing title in Amazon Seller Central. A well-optimized title can help improve your product's visibility and drive more sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tutorials.